Hi. Welcome back again. So we are done with the agentic platforms called NA10 and as well as the Zapier. And now in the next 30 to 40 minutes, I'm gonna tell you what we're gonna do with the Crew AI agent building platform. Okay. So previously, I started building the agents with N8N. I was very much familiar with N8N in my initial days. Then I was used to Zapier as well. That's pretty good. But at the end of the day, now I stops building my agents. I mean, I was currently using the Crew AI because I was stops using other agents right now after using this Crew AI. Literally, this is amazing because their rate limits and the clarity. The clarity is very amazing inside the Crew AI. So not only clarity, guys. What do you mean by clarity? And I'm gonna show you guys. Okay. Okay. So first of all, I need to open the platform and I just need to show you how a beautiful design they made to understand for every developer and as well as their actions. Okay. So what we can do is first I'll go and I'm gonna open uh, Crew AI. So I'm gonna just choose the Crew AI here. It's Monday.com. This is a different one, guys. This is a different platform. That's not the I'm expecting. Yeah, this is the Crew AI. Okay. All right. You just go to the crewai.com and see, this is the page. This is how it actually look like. Now, what you need to do is just go and sign up first, because if you have already an account, that's totally fine. If you don't have an account, please go and create an account. You know one thing, guys. Right now, we have tons of the agentic AI tools, right? The platforms like the Crew AI, and we have the Lang chains, and as well as we go with N8N tools, and then Zapier. We have the different kind of things. But most of the tech industries, the tech platforms, are offering the Crew AI subscriptions to their employees, guys. Why means I'm gonna show you. Okay, so you just go and click on sign up. I'll go with Google because I don't want to waste the time, guys. Yeah, as it's done. Okay, you can see there's some things, but I'm gonna skip this step because I don't need this. Skip this step because I don't know. I don't need to choose any option because it is. I know, right, for what purpose I'm doing. Okay, all right. So see, directly it will take you to the dashboard, guys. Okay, all right. This is I love it. So you have directly go and you just describe what you need to build. But before going to see this, okay, you actually need to know there are tons of things that you need to know inside this page, guys. Okay, all right. First, you just need to understand this entire left section, guys. So your organization, you just see the buyer, the person who buy this platform, the subscription, you will get your organization definitely here. But anyway, it's okay. I'm not giving anything here. It's totally fine. So you have here automations, Cruise Studios. We are gonna build the cruise here. It's not a agents, cruise agents. Everything is same. Okay, all right. So we have an agent repository, no agent at. That's totally fine. Tools and integrations, guys. Okay, if you see in every agentic AI building platforms, this option is pretty common, the tools and integrations. But we need to find out where this option is exactly available. Okay, so I told you, right, in the starting, the clarity with this Crew AI is literally awesome, guys. The clarity means um if you are working in a software roles, especially in automation building, guys, I need to take my whiteboard. I need to tell you something, okay? So I'm gonna just go on. I'm gonna take my whiteboard. No need. I'm gonna just choose the escalator because that's the best one. Yeah. So this is what I was written in a very last class. Okay. All right. Just go on, take this one. Now we are talking about the wait. Okay. All right. See, if you're working for any tech role, especially in agentic AI, okay. So the most commonly using tools, if you are a software developer or if you're working in a tech industry, or that may be non-tech roles or tech roles, it doesn't matter, guys. Okay? So the most commonly using, first I'll start with uh Zima. Second one is GitHub. This is pretty common. Okay. Third one is Zira. And the fourth one is Microsoft Teams. 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 And the fifth one is, so we're gonna use same Microsoft ones, Word or Google Docs. Google Docs. This one is Excel, or else we can use the Google Sheets. Sheets from the Google. Um, moving forward, what kind of tools we're gonna use, guys? Yeah, Notion for documentation, okay. All right. And then moving forward, in recent days, there's a one platform which is fully integrated with AI. That's going to be the Slack. I really love this one personally because in my controller, we are using the Slack, guys. Okay. So the Slack, and yeah, so I have just kept a few things here, and I'm not introducing any the tools where we're going to write the code and the database kind of stuff I'm not using. So I'm using the tools. These are the tools where most of the guys are going to communicate, and we're going to do a lot of stuff, guys. Okay. All right. So this is where the most of the automation comes. Okay. All right. So this all the tools, whatever we are using in our daily life, and everything, those tools all are being kept inside this Crew AI. Of course, in every place it's available, but this Crew AI is literally awesome, guys. If you just go here, because the separation is awesome. If I just go to the tools and integrations, guys, you just see the connections. In the connections, whatever the tool that you are using, you can see the Databricks, and you can just see the ClickUp, the Box, the Sana, and the GitHub, Google Calendars, Google Contacts, Google Docs, Google Drives, email, Sheets, Google Slides, and the HubSpot, Zira, Linear, and the many more. The Salesforce, Notion, Snowflake, Stripe for payments, and everything is here. Okay, all right. See, only few tools are here, only few tools, right? The few tools are here, and you pick any platform, guys. Suppose like in India, if I would have to pick any one thing called Swiggy. Okay, so is there any platform called, if you explain, if you imagine you have a mic to the mic, you're gonna explain. See, it's raining in my surroundings. I was too hungry, and I'm a gym person. Okay, I have my diet plans. So based on this, all the environment and as per my body, I need a convenient food right now. And at the 500 rupees, if you talk to the mic takes all your data. Does this going to order the food directly from Swiggy and makes the payment? No, there's no such kind of stuff inside that one. Okay, all right, there's no such kind of stuff. So why every platform is not offering this kind of stuff, guys? Because they have the tons of the APIs, and they need to give the APIs to the public. If they give the APIs to the public, then we can also make, and we can also include those platform inside these tools, guys. If you see, if you need to understand in a better way, if I go and choose the Gmail, it will be in somewhere. Where is that? Yeah, the Google Mail. If you just go here, you can see there are 6 APIs they released publicly. The Gmail. Those 6 APIs are: you get the email API, send an email API, create email draft, get email details, get email attachment, get email thread. These are the APIs they released from the Google. Okay, oh wait. Same for the Google Drive. You can see there's 8 emails, sorry, 8 APIs they released, guys. Okay, oh wait. So like that, if tomorrow, if any tool, if you need to include inside this Crew AI, of course they are in a partner with those all the tools, and those tools should be release their APIs publicly, guys. Okay, if they release and they're gonna partner and they're gonna include this all the things here. See, every tool is comes with few APIs here. Okay, these all are the APIs. These are the APIs. These are the tasks that we are gonna do inside that particular tool. Okay, all right. So now, if you go to the Zira, you can see you have a create ticket, create an issue, update an issue, like tickets, solve tickets, delete an issue, get an issue by key, such issues. That there is tons of other things. Okay, all you can do here. Okay, all right. You can do means you don't need to do anything. You tell your problem and the agent will start do, guys. Okay, all right. You have an Excel sheets, like you can whatever the work that you need to do in Excel and everything is here. This is going to be like 18 totally APIs, 18 APIs, guys. Okay, all right. Same like if you just go with Microsoft SharePoint, that's 36, and Salesforce is going to be 36, and you just have everything here. Stripe for payments, it's going to be nearly 11 APIs, guys. Okay, all right. So whatever the thing that you're using in your daily life, first you connect it, guys. Okay, just go and click on a connect, and if you make a connect, and it will connect it to your email. Okay, select all, and you just go and continue. So the one tool is connected successfully. Okay, all right. One, it's connected. If you just go here, tools. Okay, here you can see here. Okay, there is a all only connected requires authorization. You can see only connected. Only connected is this one snowflake. No need anything, guys. Don't worry. Okay, all right. So like that, you can filter and you can see here. So like that, whatever the tools that you need to use to automate the things, those tools first of all connect here. Okay, all right. Connect to Google Drive, connect Google Docs, connect Google Contacts. Just connect this all kind of stuff, guys. Okay, all right. So whatever the tools that you're using, please connect those all the tools, guys. Okay, all right. This is about the tools. Okay, these are only tools. All right. And if you go to the integrations, there's nothing, guys. Okay, it's not configured. Of course, I need to connect this all should be connect. Okay, all right. So open, you can just go and click on Zapier and this Crew AI. You can connect both together. If any action happens in Zapier, that will be reflect into the Crew AI also. That kind of stuff, it's available here because the Zapier and Crew AI in partner both together. Okay, but I'm not into that much. I never tried action is doing inside the Zapier and checking whether it's working in Crew AI or not. I never experienced, trust me. Okay, but these are the only tools, guys. Okay, all right. So now you go to the LLM connections. This is what more important, right? The traces, of course, there's nothing here in traces. Uh, like these are the executions, guys. You don't need this much one, but this is the most important thing, the LLM connections, guys. Okay. So this is where you need to connect your LLMs, guys. Okay. All right. Definitely, if your company is giving you this Crew AI subscription, and definitely it comes with few LLM integrations, guys. Of course, they're going to offer you the LLM connections as well. So you can just click on this add connection. Okay, if you click on the add connection, it will show you the available connections. Okay, all right. So you can see connection name. Okay, you just picked up a connection name. I'll say the connection name is going to be the brain one. This is the brain one. Okay, all right. Or else you can give a meaningful name. This is going to be Open AI Brain, because we treat LLMs like brains, right? That's why I'm just doing like this. Okay. So then the provider, who is the provider? Of course, I say the OpenAI. Then it will be I need to choose OpenAI. Like you can just go here, OpenAI custom OpenAI and compatible. Okay. And you can customize this one, but you can't do this. That's the only difference, like limits and rate limits and everything. Okay. All right. But I don't choose this. Okay. Choose this one because it's pretty good. Okay. All right. Then OpenAI API key you want the direct value. Okay. All right. See, if you keep environment variable, you can add your environment variable from here, or else you can put a value directly from here. But I don't recommend you to add something like this. Instead of doing like this, you have an environment variable, right? Go, you have something called environment variable. So please add your environment variables here. Okay, you can add a bulk of environment variables like a script, guys. Paste your environment one per line. So like you can just put the name and your API key and database and the key. No commas, nothing, guys. Just go in this format. Okay. All right. But I'll go on a single. Okay. You can say my environment variable. Open AI key. Always try to add your key name in a capital letters. Okay. All right. Then you can just put the value like blah 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 blah. Okay. Else you can get the OpenAI key. You better go with Gemini, guys. I because I can get the Gemini API key. That's why easily Gemini, yeah, Gemini API key. So I can get the API key of the Gemini easily. That's why. That's going to be Google AI Studio, Google Studio. Yeah, Google AI Studio. I can go here, get started, and yeah, it's done. And uh, skip it. Okay, there will be something called get API key in the below. You can see. Click on it, and you can see I was created this API key previously, and I'm gonna create another API key right now. So create Gemini API key. The key name is, yeah, that's it. Create and get the key here. Wait, it takes a little time. Why it's taking so much time? I got it, guys. Okay, so don't mess with my API key, guys. All right, so I'm gonna copy the API key. I'm gonna just close it and just go back here and just put the environment variable here. So first of all, add your API keys like this, your environment variable. No thanks. Okay, all right, you just add it. Now go to the LLM connections. If you go to the LLM connections and just click on the add connection and just go and create like the Gemini. Gemini brain. Provider is from Gemini, and you can see Gemini API key, but you can add your environment variable. It's already available. Gemini API key. It's available already, guys. Don't need to worry. The direct value. Okay. All right. You can just go, and I think I don't have any other value. I have only. If you need to add, you can add here, but I don't need to add anything because I have a Gemini API key. Okay. All right. So I don't need to enter the value because it takes directly. Okay. All right. Done. So I'm gonna remove. I don't need this anyway. New variable. If you need to keep, you can keep, guys. It won't remove. I think, yeah, it's remove. Okay, then you can add the model, guys. The model means because you in the top you choose in this Gemini. The provider is Gemini. If you choose, so automatically under that, these are the available models from Gemini. This is going to be huge, guys. Trust me. This Gemini models are very huge. Huge means they build a very large number of things. Okay, so we're gonna just go with Gemini 1.5 Flash. Okay, I'm gonna click on this one. Okay, all right, 1.5 Flash. Where's the 1.5 Flash? For robotics, no, need Gemini. It is a gamma model. Zema model, sorry. Vio Flash latest. This all models I have chosen. You can pick whatever the models you want because one key will work definitely works with all these models. Okay, all right. Then create, guys. If you just create and yeah, and it's done. You can see here. These are the models we just picked up, and we picked up the models, guys. You can pick a chart model, like the models that we already discussed in a Gen AI, right? So there's a multi models we have, which works for both image, text, and video, everything. Okay, like if you need only text models, if you need a different models, you can pick all together as well. That's up to your choice, guys. Okay, like that you can create LLMs. Okay, it's just add connections and you add another brain. Okay, like that you can add the brains, guys. Okay, all right. So environment variables, we have added one environment variable. In the manage section, you have a usage. Okay, so you can just go here. Zero active crews. Right now there is no crews, like agents, guys. Crews means agents. Don't confuse. Okay, one user, because I'm the only one user. There's no deploys, executions, because just now I'm started. There's no deployments, nothing, guys. Okay, oh, it's the insights. That's it. You can see the execution by deployment here, everything. The usage. Okay, who are the contributors, but right now I'm only one guy starting, right? So in the billing section, you can see everything here. Right now, visual editor and AI copilot, GitHub integration, and 50 workflow executions per month. Per month, this is the free plan, guys. The custom means this is the enterprise level. This is what used by the companies. Okay, right. So I'm going here free right now. So then you can go on. You can see whenever you click on a billing, you have tons of things here, like um, organization. Okay, you can the features: disable zip deployments, disable crew studio, disable traces, guys. You can just go on these options if you want. Okay, all right. The organization, you just rename with your company name. Of course they will give you a name, don't worry. Okay, the members, you can add the members, guys. Okay, for this platform, like how many members can able to build the agents. Okay, all right. You can just type the email and select the role. He's the member, not a owner. Okay, all right. You can pick the member, and you click on invite. The invite will be sent and the person should be accept. Okay, all right. When they accept, and he will be also part of this crew AI agent. Okay, all right. You can later on change the roles as well. You can change the roles as well. There's a one place where you can change the roles, I saw. Yeah, here in the roles, in the roles section, you can see you can change the roles and you can do whatever you want. You can add a role as well, whatever the roles you want to do. These are the roles and the managing the things, guys. Okay, all right. So organization and members, roles, crew studio. Studio means this is again showing the LLMs, guys. Okay, you can pick the Gemini brain, and currently you need to just for the crew studio, by default what it should be used, guys. Okay, right. You can, these are the models right now here. The flash latest, this is a model. Save settings. Okay, one model I have saved properly. Okay, right. So these are the stuff that we have here. Theme means you can change the theme, whatever theme you want, and the logo PNG if you need to keep any logo. It's just a one thing. But this account section, you should be very careful, guys. Okay, so the careful means nothing. It's just account created when, last login, last sign in when, and this is just a info. If anyone is trying to authenticate into your app, you can provide your authenticator app login as well. This is like a multi-factor authentication. Okay, all right. So then here, this is the danger zone. You should be very careful with this one. Don't click on delete my account. Okay, all right, that's it. This is all about this entire story, guys. Now the main thing is the cruise studio. Okay, we just go on a cruise studio. The resources means you just need to understand the documentation and the video tutorials you have. You follow the video tutorials, how to use it, and you can just learn how to use it and everything. Okay, all right. So these are the video tutorials. There's a tons of the things, guys. If you want to watch it, you watch it. You will get a much more clarity here. Okay, all right. Just go back to the page again. Cruise Studio. This is the studio where we're gonna build our agents, guys. Okay, all right, guys. This is very easy and simple, guys. You don't need to do anything. Okay, so create a new. Why create a new? Because You don't need to build everything on your own. You don't need to build, guys. You just give it up a prompt, it does everything for you. Okay, these are the tools. You can see AI ML tools here. AI uh, mind tool, DALI E tool, like patterns evaluation tool, the vision tools, automation and integration tools. Like this is no description available. I really don't know, guys, what is this tool. And the database and data, guys. You can choose the database. You can see these are the database providers for this particular tool, and the files and documents such CSVs. These are the tool which is related to the files and integrations. You can see these all are the integrations. Okay, all right. And search and research. For the search and research, they have a Brave search, Exa search tool, search a core docs content, search GitHub repos, Google search. We have a Google search as well. Okay, all right. But this Google search you need to like integrate, guys. Okay, all right. But anyway, don't go this all this stuff. If you have a time, just explore this all this stuff, guys. There's a web scraping and browsing. You just scrap the data. These are the web scrapers, guys. Okay, right. So now, yeah. It's uncategorized as well. Just go and see this one. These all are the different names. Brave LLM context, Brave local descriptions is all related to the Brave browsers, Brave news search. Because most of the guys, everyone configured with Brave, guys, because they offers the low level cost limits and everything. Okay, all right, that's why. So now close this. I really don't need this. Okay, so just go back to the crew AI. So you just describe your thing, what exactly you need to build, guys. Okay, all right. So for example, I'm gonna build a job hunting agent. So can you please build an agent for job hunting where I will provide you the skills I know with a preferred location. I don't know spelling of preferred, I'm sorry. Um so based on that, find the latest uploaded jobs in internet and grab all the URLs, put it inside, scrap all the URLs and put it inside. Keep it inside. Google Sheets by generating best ATS supported resume for that require role in Google Docs. Organize this all these things, all the things in Google Sheets. I don't go for Microsoft because I'm using Mac, guys. I need to log into the Microsoft. That's a big deal for me. That's why I was going with all the Google things. Okay, all right. So I click on this one. I want the agent is going to appear in a couple of minutes, guys. Okay, all right. Agent is going to start work. It organizes the tools. What are the tools? Because we know the tools. We already given a prompt, and I know the tools. And of course, that this is also do the same stuff. It organizes the tools. It builds everything for you. You don't need to do anything. You just stay calm, explain your problems, and everything it will does. Okay. You can see here, we already configured Gemini Flash latest in LLMs. We have a web scrapers specialist, same Gemini Flash latest. Exa search tool is it's a job hunting tool, guys. Latest updated jobs. It's a tool, but this tool, let me complete this all this stuff, guys. Let me complete this all the thing. Then I will tell you like what exactly you need to do. Okay. So this is the reason I love this crew AI, guys. But like all the platforms will do, but this crew AI is something different, guys, which does in a organized way and everything is really good, guys. I love the UI perspective as well. Finish. And you can see here. So the job hunting is going on, but you should schedule a time, like every daily, run only one time. There's a time. You can keep the time here. Okay. 1 a.m. in the midnight. So you need to give the inputs, your skills and your location. You can say that deep learning. If you need to provide experience, also you provide experience, guys. That's totally fine. Okay. But if you need to provide, you need to edit inside the tool, guys. Okay. Again. You keep whatever you want. Okay. Oh, wait. Hmm. Save the trigger. Enable every at 1 a.m. Okay. Let's zoom out. Hmm. So now once this automation is built, then you need to configure one by one, guys. It's easy. First, we configure a schedule because I know when it should be execute. Then this Gemini Flash, it's already brain is already configured, guys. If we just go exhaust, this one is the exa API key. You need to get it, guys. Okay, the exa such tool. You need to find it in a Google. Hmm. The exa AI such API API dashboard. You need to log in. So create your setup prompt. I don't need anything. Just skip it, guys. Yeah, we got it. And the API keys, there's a one API. Click to copy. Copied. And I'll go and I'll keep it here. The base URL I need to keep again. My God. Base URL here. No need this one, I think. Yeah. Then this one is already integrated. Okay. You go. This you need to you just need to see if you want to edit, you can edit here. Like you just need to edit, guys. Okay, if whatever you want, such job opportunities, just based on the location. Okay, you can keep one more thing and you can just say that everything will start work. Okay, then this is done. Just close this one right now. There's a prompt. Extract detailed job. First, you can see here, event triggered, prompt goes to this, sends the result, and extract the detailed job information from that particular one. It will extract the detailed information by using this brain. Okay. All right. Then generate ATS optimized resume. It generates the content for this. So based on this ATS resume writer by using this Gemini Flash latest, and then pushes this all the thing, and this data organizer is like it will design everything in a proper format before pushing into the tool, guys. Okay. All right. So everything is done, and the next is you just go and run the automation. Deal. Execute. Automation is running right now. Execution is started. So you can see this execution is in error, guys. Let's see what's the error right now. Maybe my API key was, you can see virtual env, definitely my API key. This is an execution error. Job hunter specialist, 7.39 seconds, one task. And it goes keep on. But definitely it will fail, guys, because help me to fix the error. I don't have a proper API key because I was consumed all my the Gemini credits, guys, the free credits. That's the problem. But if you integrate, it will properly work, guys. It will properly work. You just try it. Just a one API key. I can see issues with automation failed because of an AI authentication problem with the Gemini API key. Because I know because I mess up with API key, guys. Okay. I don't have a credits, guys. If you use the credits, then it works in a proper way, guys. Okay. All right. Please integrate a proper Gemini API key. You go to this section, this API section. Don't worry, your one is still alive here in the platform, in the studio. Okay. You just go to the LLM connections and you have the Gemini brain. You click on this action, edit, change your API key, and it's already integrated, but you know, right? My API keys runs out. So okay, if you do this one thing, one a brain, if you integrate a proper brain, then everything will work. You tried with Grok as well, tried with different kind of stuff. One thing will definitely work. If it works, please let me know, guys. If it works, please let me know. And this is the thing where it helps to many job hunting people. Maybe you are helper to someone else, okay, or create it and try to give to any other guy and tell him to apply through this one, and if he gets the job and you happy and the person happy, okay, all right. So I hope you do this, and this is one automation thing in the crew AI. So I think only one is pending, that's the lang chain. I'm gonna put a video of the lang chain, guys, from the another guy. His guy name is I really forgot, Venkat, I think. So I'm gonna provide the video of Venkat. You just watch it, and he's also a good explainer, guys. Trust me, he's gonna give you the best stuff on the lang chain. So as of now, this is this thing. I hope you understand the crew AI, the power of the crew AI. But this, if you see the common point in this, all the tools is, I mean, all the platforms is, it's all about tools and their APIs, guys. That's it. We have a tools from different providers, and each tool has set of APIs, and we give a task, it performs the task. Okay, all right. If you see, if you feel APIs are hands, but that hands works with a brain, the brain is LLMs. That's it, guys. Okay, all right. So I hope you understand, guys. And then only one thing is pending, that's going to be the LLM. Okay, building LLM. I was trying. My Mac runs out, and I was restarted my Mac as well. I was tried, guys, in my MacBook, and everything is crashed. My Mac was stuck. Trust me, I have deleted everything in my Mac. It's a new Mac right now because of that one LLM training, guys. I was really trying very hard, but I'm gonna definitely give you the video, but the date I can tell you guys exactly, okay? Because that another laptop I was running, and I was looking for a credits, guys, any cloud credits. If I have a free cloud credits, maybe I'm gonna run it inside this servers, then it will be okay. But if I run it in a server, everyone should have to run it in a servers. What I'm planning is I would have to run in the laptop. If I run in the laptop, if everything works in the local system, then you can easily understand that's not my goal. But let's see. But definitely I will remind you once the LLM video is finished. Okay, don't worry, it's my promise. If I give the promise, it takes the time, but definitely I'll just upload, guys. Okay, so I think we are done with this all the agentic AI platforms, and we have only one agentic AI one, that's going to be the langchain. The langchain, you will get it right now. Okay, so okay, then the practice this all the stuff, and I will give you the agents tasks, some practicing tasks you need to do. It's up to your choice. If you need to build everything on your own, you can build, or else you can go with the prompt. You go with the prompt. Okay, all right. That's it, guys.